Follow this video tutorial for how to install Carbonite Online Backup onto your computer. Start by using your favorite search engine to search for Carbonite Online Backup. Click on the first link labeled Carbonite Official Site located underneath the ads. Start by entering your email and password and confirming the two and clicking Download Free Trial. For the purpose of this tutorial, I have already set up an account, therefore I will click Sign In. This page is alerting me to the fact that I have yet to install Carbonite. Click on the link labeled here to follow the instructions to complete this installation. Click on Download Now to install the helper. Once downloaded, it will appear in your Downloads folder on the bottom right of the dock. Click on your Downloads folder and then click on the installer labeled Carbonite Personal Client. Click Open when presented with this dialog box. Allow your computer to install Carbonite. This may take some time. Click Continue when presented with the terms of service. Type in an administrator's username and password when presented with this screen. Select the folders you would like to back up. Carbonite automatically selects important folders from all user accounts for backup. You may customize this selection by selecting or deselecting the folders below. Note, Carbonite gives you unlimited backup space on their servers. Click Install when ready. Click Open Carbonite when the installation is finished. At this time, you may delete the installers by dragging them into the trash. Click on Carbonite on the dock. You will now be presented with a status screen showing the status of your backup. This may take some time depending on your internet connection. Thank you for following my tutorial.